Right, afternoon guys, I'm back. It's been a long time since I've gone out, since I've been out. Look how grey my beard is. I've turned into a proper old man. Obviously I'm by myself, no Josh, no Dory, just peace and quiet. And today we're going up, Harter Fell. I always feel like I'm one of those things off Star Wars. What do they call them? I'm not a big fan of Star Wars, but they have those big long legs. Yeah, so I'm up at Harter Fell in Eskdale, and I've come up from Duddon Valley car park. It looks quite an easy one. It's like 600 odd meters, but it's boggy, it's wet all the way, to be fair. I mean, it's been raining a hell of a lot. It's a bit claggy over the top, so we'll have to see how that goes. But it's good to be back. Be even better when I get up there, because I am ridiculously unfit. I am proper sweating. But I'll see you when I get up there, guys. I don't even know what I'm going to talk about. You haven't even got a drone these days. Cost of living crisis, maybe get rid of it. See you in a bit. It's like feet porn, isn't it? Just watching my feet go through puddles. That's real exciting stuff. Content though, content to see how mucky it is. Look. Mucky. Look at that. Literally just as I'm going to stop the tape then. Tape. God, 1980s. Stop recording and I proper stood in a puddle. Lovely. Look at that, like a proper mountain bike bridge. Wildcamping tip number 1. Don't divert into the woods and come through all this marshy stuff. Stay on the road. That just takes you all the way to there. If you come to Harter Fell, stay on that road. Do a left when you come out of the farm and just continue down the road. Don't be a gimp and go straight through the forest, because it looks magical, because you just get wet feet. Oh, dear Lord, honestly, I don't know, wing it. It's a wild camp for me. Scrap what I told you about staying on that path, because I don't even know how I got up here. I'm sure I looked on the map, but there was a couple of people who said the path just disappears. It disappears. Honestly, I had no clue how I got up here, but it's there. You can see it over my shoulder. So we're getting there. We're not far. It's a little bit windy. My head looks like a proper potato, and it's very lonely, and I need Josh, but Josh is just a grumpy little toe wag these days. His mate Jack has kind of stolen him away from me. So Jack, cheers for that, mate, you dodgy Liverpool fan. But yeah, I'm going to make my way up to the top. I've literally not seen a single person since I've been here. And relax and hopefully try and get Man United on the radio, because I forgot we were playing Chelsea, and that will not be good, because we'll get beat if I don't listen. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Take care. Oh, hello Mr. Froggy. The only person I've seen is Frederick the Frog. Isn't he cool? See, that's how you can tell you've lost, when you're on the wrong side of the bloody fence, and that's high. Oh, I have to climb over this now. Look, What a bell job. Right, this will be fun. What's your feet? Big in there. Oh. Flick it out. Oh. Right, the big ghoulies. Oh shit. Oh. It's always better to take your frigging bag off. That's what would have been better. We are nearly up the top. The views are utterly crap. Woo! Wow, I'm knackered. I actually can't see anything, but it's going to piddle down in a minute. He's got me tent up. Oh shit! Friggin' hell! I tell you what, this has been an absolute friggin' nightmare. It'd be worth it in the end, no doubt. No doubt. Positive mental attitude. Positive mental attitude. Fig knows what that means. See you in a bit. Oh, shit. It's quite friggin' windy. Whee! If I had hair, it would be blowing all over the place. I'll need to go and find somewhere to camp. Ice up. Look at the views. Look at that. Oh, wowzers. That's made it so worthwhile. It's got so windy on the top, then I found this little cheeky little place. Swim in the morning, swim in the morning, and no one is here. Although there was one person, he was like some Cockney white boy. Yeah, he's on the other side of the mountain. I'm well happy with this, and I should be able to get a nice pitch as well. Not ideal, but it will do me, and it's quite deep. So definitely a swim in the morning. And how peaceful is that as well? How peaceful is that? Evening guys, it's calmed down a little bit now. It's so peaceful, honestly, and it's cleared up. It was raining before, and my little fingers were getting a little bit cold. I think I got a little bit damp when I was what you call it, when I got lost. My feet were a little bit wet, to be fair, but I always bring a pair of spare socks, spare underpants. I think this is one of the best places I've actually been, to be fair. It's just such a nice little place to come to. It wasn't too hard getting up. Obviously I got lost on the way, but it wasn't too difficult. I think it's 679 metres. I think you start at about 200 odd. So it's not too bad, it's only 400, but it's you can see forever. I'll show you in a sec, because I haven't worked out how to put the microphone on the front and the back and how to alternate. So if I pick it up, you just sound dodgy and I get told off by my son when it comes to editing it. Even if he does edit it, I'm not kind of sure, because he just hasn't had the time for your dad anymore, have you, Josh? No time at all. But you've missed out on this one. I think he quite liked this. He likes to go by a little calm. He wouldn't have liked getting lost. That was the I didn't get lost. I just go off piste. That's all I ever do. It's not actually getting lost, and I always get to where I need to go. I just go about it the wrong way. And even when I come to coming back to where leaving, I'm not even sure which way I'm going to go. Just that way somewhere. But as you can see, it's one of the best places I've been. Harter Fell. It is great, and do you know what? I have signal to listen to the footy as well. Couldn't get any better. I'll try and come up and show you the sunrise. I'll have you a little scoot round now. I'm just chatting rubbish, so let's give you a bit of a scoot. I was going to give you like all the names of the mountains, but I have no clue, to be fair. Around here, it's the first time I've been here. I'd just be guessing. I don't look like a bigger idiot than I already look in my red coat and bobble hat. I'll chat to you in a bit later. Right guys, I'm in the tent now. It's a bit, well, it's claggy and wet outside. It started to rain before, so I've been in the tent listening to Man United get a last minute goal against Chelsea, so all is good. I'm loving being here, to be fair, tonight. It's something I've needed for a long time, just because work has been getting on top of me. Work has been the man you job, it's a stressful job. It's a stressful job. It's chaotic and it just takes its toll on me. So coming to this place tonight has really sorted my head out, to be fair. So I need to get out and about more. Whether or not Josh is going to come out with me, who knows. He's at home now eating a burger and living his best life, probably playing Sims with his crew online. Although he had a cold, a really bad cold, but he sounded fine on the phone. And even his sister said that he's putting it on. But it was inevitable. There would come a day where Josh didn't want to hang out with his dad, and that day has possibly come. But I had to come, and I have had a fantastic, great time. The weather's not been the best, but at the end of the day, I don't really care because I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I can't get nagged on the phone. Because the signal's crap, so that's good. It's just being good to get out and about, because I can't be going any more grey than what I am now for my job. Might have to get the Just for Men back out, start dyeing it a little bit more. No, I'm not going to do it anymore. But that's probably it for now. I've not got much to say really. Hopefully in the morning time it'll be a lot nicer, a lot more. Maybe we'll have a sunrise while I'm in the pool. I thought it was deep. I did mention it's deep. It's not deep. It's like 2 foot deep, but I'm still going to swim in that 2 foot deep water in the morning, no matter what. And then I need to try and work out how to get down. But that's by the by. I will still say I've got a head like a pigeon. It will always get me there. I don't follow no maps, but I always get there eventually. So we'll see you in the morning. Have a good one. See you later. Bye-bye. Morning guys. I've just been in that water. If you look at my legs, they're filthy. It's literally, it must be about that deep. And it's proper like swampy. Massively swampy in that water, so it was like the most pointless swim in the whole entire world. And I thought that is some crazy little. Can you hear them? I could hear someone whistling at me. I don't think he was whistling at me, like, but I think he's like a shepherd. But they're all out on like some crazy hunt and stuff. So I thought I'd get told off, but you can see, look at my legs, mucky. It was a really nice night, and I think I slept really well, but I forget how hard it is on your back. Sleeping in a tent. I'm like a cripple this morning, but all in all, proper nice camp. Rained all the way through the night. It was a bit blustery, but it's nice. I like the towel. It's like covering up my nipples. I should have got changed really, but I just want to get off, get changed and go. But great wild camp. I don't think you can see much over there. Apart from the mist, mysterious mist. No sunrise really. In fact, no sunrise, no sunset, no stars. But all is good, so hopefully we'll be out soon. So as always, give us a like, subscribe. See you later. I'm not even sure whether the path is better. The one I went up with seems easier than this. This is slippy. Slippy as hell. And it's like this all the way frigging down. Honestly, I've been coming down here for about half an hour now. We'll get down, I'm sure, at some point. Oh, Jesus Christ. That walk coming down, I look like a little hobbit. Oh shit. Just took my top. Wonder. I need to get that back. Nightmare. This is the last one, guys, I promised before I go. I just got thinking then, do you know, obviously you saw me drop my top, my water filter top down the waterfall, stream, waterfall, river, stream, and it's disappeared. I kind of wanted to just touch on that. The fact is, you might ask me why I come out and I do this wild camping. I got lost. I looked like a bit of an idiot swimming in 2 foot of water. My back sore. I've fallen down twice while coming down that slippery slope all the way down. I got lost numerous times. But why do I come wild camping? I come wild camping because it just refreshes my brain. It refreshes my brain. That's what it is. I challenge myself. I'm not like Bear Grylls. I don't drink my own piddle. I'm not like all these other guys who are on YouTube who never do anything wrong or whatever. I do quite a lot wrong. I do get from A to B eventually. And I do love wild camping. And I'll always come wild camping. As long as my body will let me. But hopefully it makes you guys think, if this donut can do it, I can do it. And that's what it's all about. Okay guys, look after yourselves, take care, bye bye. Just like I said, donut.